La 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 la. Hey, how you doing? So what I'm actually doing is actually looking at the S&P 500 because as you know on the monthly chart it is moving bullishly, most definitely, and it has been for quite some time now. But on the daily chart here, as we look at it, I do see here as prices moving upward. I believe in this area here, a price 4565.14. That price will begin probably retracing in this area. That's what I forecast before moving up toward price 4688.06. All right. And so that's what I believe will happen with the S&P 500 index. And I hope this helps you most definitely. And I see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye. La 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 la. I know that God will come through for